How to share a reel to Instagram story. In order to do that, just head over to the Reels page of your Instagram. And you can see in here a lot of reels that you want. So once you have found a reel that you want to actually add to your story, just click on the share icon right here on the bottom, which is the paper plane icon. And then you can see in here wherein you want to add it. So we have in here some contacts from an inbox, people we follow, as well as some group chats. So in here, you can see this option right here on the bottom, which is the add to story option. Head over and click on that right there. And then as you can see, they have been added. So you can also enlarge it if you want to make it larger. Now in here, you can also add some music. So for example, try to add it. And then you can also add some few more text as well. So you can customize it to your liking. From in there, click on this your story in order to successfully add this your story in here. So as you can see right here, on my story, it's actually posting. So that's how you share a reel to Instagram story. Hope we helped.